Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
We demand inclusion of Garo and Khasi in the 8th टीएमसी के तमाम सांसद हम कोशिश करेंगे आगे माने
Daki pongot ki MLA jongka All India Trinamool Congress nakajala Meghalaya bat West Bengal bat kentuk ru ya ki MP kila letra plakat akamat ka yeng dor ba thau an jogari India ban Dawa ka sarkar National Democratic Alliance plailam daka Bharatiya Janata Party ban Pynrung no ya Ktien Khasi bat Garo haka kernet bapra jongka riti sensyar kari India noilam jongka All India Trinamool Congress nakajala Meghalaya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong pakni kajing angnut jong kipat ba nong song ke jela Meghalaya ban Pynrung ya Ktien Khasi bat Garo haka kernet ke bapra jong riti sensyar keri India kadai ke belas lambha bat ulaong ru ba kan long kajing mentoy kipat ba nong song jong ke jela Meghalaya ha borok kilian
अरे सुदेश ना
inclusion of Garo and Khasi in 8th schedule of the Constitution, and we discuss somewhat and we are content the Assam Meghalaya border agreement and the one government of India to Garo Khasi एक दुटी मेघालय भाषा के আমাদের ভারতীয় সংবিধানের 8th শিডিউলে অন্তর্ভুক্ত করার দাবিতে আজ আমরা এখানে প্রতিবাদ করছি এই বিষয়টা আমি
सुदेश ना माइक दे दो
I will raise the issue in Parliament just now at 0 hour.
আপনারা তো শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে প্ল্যাকার্ড নিয়ে এসেছিলেন দিল্লি পুলিশ কি আপনারা
দিল্লি পুলিশ বলছেন এখানে
Yes, you understand that the aspirations of the people and again the overall vibrant diversity that we have as a nation revolves around the aspirations of our people to preserve and protect our identity, which revolves around also our language. Now there has been a persistent demand from the people of Meghalaya for inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, having done all the necessary due diligence to qualify for inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, we do not understand the reason why there should be further delay for the government of India to take action on this and complete this whole process for inclusion of this Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule. This is inconsistent with the aspirations of our people, particularly the youth. You understand, the whole era of this globalization where people are looking at spaces of jobs all across the country, and also when you have the youth who are aspiring to offer themselves to serve the state, to serve the nation. Inclusion of these languages in the 8th schedule provides a space or rather a platform for level playing ground for the youth.